Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove border from only one page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document and just 3 pages. You can see there are no on edge borders. Now I add borders, these 3 pages. Go to insert menu, then click drawing. Now plus new option. Now you can see here are a interface like this. Now insert a rectangle in this drawing option. Then remove this fill color and create a border color. Then increase this borders white. Now press save and close. Now align this page border. Now I add these borders, these 3 pages. You have to select these borders, then go to insert menu. Now you can see here are headers and footers option. Click this headers. Now align these headers options in this borders. Now you can see I add these borders, these 3 pages. Now I remove borders from only one page. I remove these borders first page, so you have to go insert menu. Now you can see here are break option. Click this break, then click page breaks. Now double click on this headers, then press different first page. Now you can see I remove a borders from only one page in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.